How to get verified on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how we can get that blue tick on Instagram and verify our account. So let's just get started without any delay. So verification on Instagram gives you the blue check badge confirming your account is authentic and notable. So you can open up your profile for that. Go to Instagram and look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and you should be able to access it up. Once we have accessed it up, we can look out for our profile option in the top right, tap on the menu, and that should let us access our settings and privacy. Now from here, we can just go over and tap on request verification. We can tap on account center, and within here, we can look out for the option called request verification. Scroll down, tap on meta verified, and we can follow up the process for that. So you can just go over and submit up your details. It is also basically something you need to unlock. So here are different benefits available here. So for standard, we have $0.39 for our first month, which will provide us with verified badge, upgraded profile links, and many more. We have plus and even premium and max. So you can select the one that you prefer, and each one of them will provide you a verified badge. Once it is done, you can tap on unlock benefits and you can follow out the step-by-step process here. So you may need to submit up your details. You can just go and tap on continue. And once it is done, you can fill in your details here. So provide in all the necessary details here. And also payment method may be required. So you can just go and provide it up. And when you do, what it will do is it will give us option to even add links to news articles or press coverage. Social media links do not count. Instagram will review your request and notify you once you have done so, and they should probably give you a badge that you're looking for. You will be getting a blue verification badge. Account protection priority support requires monthly payment and identity verifications. So go ahead and provide it up. And you should be able to do it, and that's it. That's how we can get verified badge on Instagram step by step. Most of the people get rejected the first time, so you can apply again after 30 days and you can again get the blue badge on your Instagram. So that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.